Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Diamond Painting and Stitching with Laura, and we have an unbagging and we have an unboxing. We'll start with this one. It's from Timney Arts from Amazon. I paid $11.99 for it. It is a 16 by 12. I ordered it on the 15th of this month, and I received it today, so that was like 11 days. They had sent me an email saying that it was going to be late, and this came from China in 11 days, so I don't get it, guys. I just don't get it. It's a small one, but I saw one from Timney Arts, and I wanted to try them out. This is the picture. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me open this door this way. Maybe that'll help. Maybe it's right-sided. Isn't that beautiful? It says Pink Tulip, 40 by 30, made in China. Let's get it out of the box. I've never ordered anything from them. Came with the usual boat. No placers. Just the normal green boat thing. We're not going to get into that. From what I understand, they have the, I want to say, tarpaulin canvas. It tells you instructions and what's in the box. The box was a little squished on one end, but I'm not worried. Because I knew it had a soft canvas to it, so I don't know if they're all tarpaulin canvas. It's nice and soft. Ooh, yeah, it's kind of made like Diamond Art Club. I mean, it sparkles and the canvas sparkles. Isn't that pretty? It's tulips and some, I guess they're all tulips, I don't know. There's a better picture. Come on, focus. Oh well. And it has the clear cover. It has 20 colors, and it has the key at the top here and at the bottom over here. Let's see if I can get it to lay down. It's got some really beautiful, bright colors. I just love this picture. I like the one with the tulips, but this one was a little bit smaller. I think it was My Pretty Polka Dots, or I Like Polka Dots, or something like that. I can't remember her name. Brenda had the tulips that were just the stalks of tulips. But I saw this and I went, huh, that's kind of different. So, and I'd seen the other one, you know, 2 or 3 times by other people. And it comes with an instruction page on how to press it down with a book, and all of this comes in the case, and how to use everything. Printed on both sides. What's with these people? Do they think we're just crazy or what? Okay, crinkling coming. This end. See if I can get it open. And they're all individual bags. I'm going to turn this canvas over so I can lay them down. And they do have, let me see if I can get this. Come on. There we go. Can you see the little number? Yeah, they have the little number beside it. Light blues, pinks and peach, and some dark orange and another shade of orange, and some rose colored, and another shade of pink. Lots of browns. No blacks. No blacks. And there's 1, 2, 3 shades of green here that I'm counting. Maybe 4. So yeah, it ought to be really pretty. And ooh, there's even a darker green. Let me see if I can bring this over here so y'all can see the colors. But they're all individually packaged, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Whoops, there's some more dark green. I thought it was going to be black for sure. I dropped one. Hang on. Gonna pick you up. There you go. Now you can see all the pretty colors. Isn't that awesome? Sorry for my shaking, but just got here from work, so haven't had too much time to relax. Put you down gently there. But that's that one. Put that away. I will do inventory later. This is a square. Has no ABs in it. But that's fine. We'll see how they are on their squares. You know. Let me go back to the canvas just 1 second before I go on to the next. And the canvas looks really clear. Maybe in the darks I will have to use the light pad, but it doesn't look like it. But it's really clear. And my way of thinking, I do have the light shining on it, but and the canvas is kind of sparkly, like I said. So we'll see. I'm kind of anxious to do that one. I'm always anxious to do a diamond painting. Let's start something else. Yeah, not right now. But, I mean, I'm anxious to see how it goes. Let me get that back in its box. Okay, let me put this down over here so it doesn't fall. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Come on, people. Are you ready? I have to make room because you know what's coming. You know what's coming. Diamond Art Club, kids. Yes, I had to. And I swear, I'm not going to start this thing right yet because I've still got Mama Knows to do. But you know what it is. I wanted this painting ever since I saw it the first time. Okay, comes in a huge box, has an inventory sheet, and I'd send it to you, Ginger Diamond Painter, if you needed it. Isn't it Ginger who is always saving it for her doodle paper? It is Jessica! Yes, I'm so excited. It's Jessica Rabbit. She may never come out. Not bad, just drawn that way. She is 47 by 82 centimeters. And it comes in the beautiful, beautiful, huge pink box. Let's see if we can get this open. And I want to put it back, right back in the box. Heavy. So she must be huge. She must be as big as Elizabeth. I paid $58.94 for it. I ordered it the 22nd. I had a $5 coupon, like I always do. It does have square ABs. Comes with a toolkit, standard toolkit, squishy wax, you know. And there are the beautiful diamonds. Aren't they just gorgeous? They're just gorgeous. Beautiful. Yep, just... I got asthma. I got asthma. No. No, I knew she was coming, and I knew she was going to be special. Sorry about the dogs, guys. Leave that. Okay, I'm going to turn it inside out so I can get her to do what I want her to do. Oh, my God. Oh, you have no idea what I am seeing over here. Oh, you probably do. You've probably seen 2 or 3 unboxings since Teresa was the first one that I saw. Okay, it does come with the little instructions. We don't need to know how to diamond paint if we're buying diamond art clubs. Come on, people. Step it up. Get on your big girl panties. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Da 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 da. There she is, Miss Jessica. She is just absolutely stunning. Just stunning. And I think, I can't see it in here. Oh, it's there somewhere. But number 1 is the Aurora Borealis. Let me pull it down. Isn't that beautiful? Mandy Manzano did an excellent job. She just outdid herself on this. This is just absolutely stunning. Just stunning. And that dress is just awesome. And all these greens and yellows over here. Oh, and her hair. It's funny she didn't draw her ears. How weird. But, okay. Okay, we know. Yep. Oh, yep, yep, yep. And it's the same tarpaulin soft. This is softer than the Timney Arts. This is like way higher grade than Timney Arts. I mean, it was soft, and it kind of felt like a handy wipe, if you will. But this feels like velvet. So I will have to find room for her. She's just awesome sauce. I just love her. Okay, we're going to turn her over, guys. I know. Now you realize if I take these out of here, I may never get them back in there, but we're going to try. I'm trying to put the ones that from Diamond Art Club that I'm not working on back in the boxes, if I at all can. Okay, crinkling coming. Oh, I see the ABs now. Okay. Oh my God, these drills are heavy. Let's see if I can. There we go. Holy Toledo! I gotta sit down. Practice my breathing. Oh, sorry. Okay, so we have a nice green. I'm gonna pull this up just a little so we can get some. Then we have 2 shades of red. We have 3 bags of 772, which is kind of a light, pale grass green, if you will. Then we have like a turquoise, a dark, and a medium dark green. And over here, these are in smaller packages. These are in the huge packages. I would say they were worth 5 a piece at least, because this is a big painting. Now we have this like dark salmon, dark salmon, and dark turquoise, medium salmon, nice seafoam green, and pink, and orange, darker orange. Oh my God, there's pink ABs. Oh, is that the, oh, what color is that? What that, oh, that's 128. Okay. So the pink ABs go in her dress. I was thinking it was going to be white ABs. Beautiful, just stunning. Look at the shades of purple in this. Oh my God. It is just gorgeous. And there's a darker blue-green, if you will, in the brick red, and another kind of a sea green. I swear, those 2 colors are practically the same. I don't get it. Are those? No. I thought those were the ABs, but they're not. So the pink is the AB. Isn't that beautiful? Just stunning colors. And these, we're back to heavies again. These are probably all 5 or, yeah, probably 5 packs each. There are 3 bags of 948. Sorry about the dog. And there's only 3 packs of the 310. And then we have some 666, so there's probably 5 packs in there. I mean, 5 bags within that. So that is awesome. I just can't start another one. Oh, geez. No, I have to finish something, people. Trying to get them all lined up, I know. But they're just beautiful colors. I am just so pleased with this. I knew it would be. And I couldn't resist buying it. I don't care how much it is anymore. Just here, take my paycheck. Okay, so I got them all together. I'm going to attempt to put them back in this bag. Oh, don't get stuck. Hang on, guys. Crinkle second. I just want to get them as tightly as I can. Alright, let's just set it over there because it makes too much noise. But isn't she beautiful? She's just stunning. Just stunning. I just love her. I love her more than I love Myrtleese. This is just absolutely beautiful. And you have all those different shades of green in there. Awesome. But yeah, that number 1, it runs all over her dress. And where else? So it's highlighting her dress. I don't see any face. So much just be in the dress. Because I'm not seeing any number 1s anyplace else. Now, I'm probably missing them, but they're kind of hard to pick out if they're in this. But I think it's just the highlight of her shoulder. It's not on her face right here, but it's at the top of her dress and then sparkled all the way down. Oh, just awesome. Yeah, it's beautiful. Well, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell so you'll know when I come out with a new video. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye. God bless.